Ungqongqoshe uZulu ubelokhu ehambela izikhungo ezehlukene Kwa-Sassa eMpumalanga. Namhlanje uvakashele isikhungo esisembombela. Uthi into emkhathaza kakhulu uma ehambela izikhungo ukuthola omama abasebancane.
The teenage mothers, very unfortunate that some of them are as young as 13, 14, 15, even 12. Very unfortunate. And what is more unfortunate about it is that they have not even reached the age of 18, where they can come and apply for grants themselves already as adults.
Ephendula ngezinselele ezigcine ziphazamisa ukuhlinzekwa kwezibonelelo zikahulumeni, uZulu uthe izinguquko ezenziwa abantu ngemininingwane yabo abayibhalisa Kwa-Sassa ngenye zezizathu ezenza kugcine kuvaleka izibonelelo zabo ze-SASSA.
One said I got married, then I changed my surname. Now the system needs to change. Whatever information needs to be changed by you, the grant recipient, taking responsibility and coming and helping us make the change. Two, when I was in Belfast, I found women there who had changed their banks, not even bank account.
Kusenjalo, bakhala bayasithulisa abazali base-Eastern Cape abangayitholile imali yesibonelelo njengoba izingane kumele zibuyele ezikoleni.
Ndichaphazekile because abantwana bamabini omnye uyafunda usesikolweni omnye usekrishi. Stationery andikwazanga usithenga ngoDisemba, bendisixela uba ndizasithenga ngoJanuwari ngoba kaloku ndiyayazi uba ngoJanuwari stationery noko siba cheaper than uDisemba. Ndazixela uba kaloku stationery sona ndiyasifaka ndiyasithenga ngoJanuwari kubekho nalo omncinci ke ngoku usanephi.
Okhulumela i-SASSA Eastern Cape uthi bayazi ngale nkinga njengoba sebethole izingcingo eziningi zabantu bebuza ngayo.
In the Eastern Cape, we've got about 23,117 beneficiaries that are affected. This was due to incorrect banking details provided when beneficiaries were applying for grants or changing their payment methods.
Akukacaci ke ukuthi ingabe lenselele izoxazululeka nini.